couldn't resist the urge to veer off onto Camp Bird Road as we came into Ouray, Colorado this evening. Being so close to town, Yankeeboy Basin is a popular spot. The road stays busy with Jeeps, ATV rental vehicles, and tourist trucks taking people up to see the mountain views. Unpaved Camp Bird Road begins at one of the first switchbacks on the edge of town. Ultimately, the pass road leads all the way from Ouray to Telluride as Imogene Pass. Yankeeboy Basin Road spurs off Camp Bird Road, climbing to the trailhead at the foot of the peaks. Higher and steeper, it's not as well maintained as the main road. The ride to Yankeeboy Basin is a little bumpy in places, but it's one of the easiest of the Alpine roads and a good place to get introduced to the terrain. While I'd hoped to enjoy the scenery in the bowl at the base of the mountains and get a few nice pictures, a black cloud came over and a few drops fell as I started back. Within minutes, it was bright and sunny again, and I joined the dusty parade of vehicles coming and going. Camp Bird Road hugs the rim of a steep, deep canyon, a sheer drop at the edge of the road for much of the way. The narrow sections where it's cut into the rock faces with no guardrails deserve extra caution. Close to Ouray, road conditions improve. You'll pass the turnoff to Box Canyon near the paved road. It's well marked and easy to find. Box Canyon is worth a visit. A short walk takes you deep inside the canyon walls to a hidden waterfall. You can walk to this part from downtown.